Welcome to the podcast. In construction and engineering, safety is not just a best practice, it's a necessity. Through clear, accurate, and timely communication, we can reduce accidents and foster a culture of collaboration and safety. In this podcast, we take a deeper dive into the importance of communicating safety in the industries we serve. Let's begin.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the podcast. I'm Janice Klein's Marketing Manager for AOE, and today I have on the podcast Vicki Sakaris. She's an account manager and social media practice group leader for AOE. Today we are discussing a very important topic, communicating safety in AEC industries. So Vicki recently wrote a blog on this topic, and today we're going to take a deeper dive into this subject. Welcome, Vicki. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, Janice. Thank you for having me.
So let's just jump right in. So June, which by the time this podcast airs, it'll be July, but June was recognized as National Safety Month. Why is it important to communicate safety in the industries we serve?
In construction and engineering, safety is not just a best practice, it's a necessity. The construction industry consistently ranks among the most dangerous in terms of workplace fatalities. Workers in construction face risks related to falls, heavy machinery, electrical hazards, structural collapses, and more. Organizational leaders must set the example in prioritizing safety communication and creating a safer, more efficient working environment for everyone involved. And we have year-round opportunities in the AEC sector to promote safety and mental health in the workplace. From National Work Zone Awareness Week in April to Construction Safety Week and OSHA's National Safety Stand Down to Prevent Falls in Construction, and National Mental Health Month, all in May, to Construction Suicide Prevention Week in September. And of course, June is recognized as National Safety Month, and it's a time dedicated to raising awareness about the importance of safety across all industries. It's also National Men's Health Month, which, considering the demographics in the construction industry, is also very important. These initiatives reinforce the critical importance of communicating safety in the industries we serve and providing valuable resources and highlighting best practices to reduce preventable injury and death. Effective communication ensures all team members are on the same page and following safe practices. And poor communication can lead to misunderstandings and mistakes and hazardous situations that put workers at risk. And that's why it's important to take advantage of these awareness months to promote the message of safety.
No, I agree. I had no idea there were so many awareness months regarding construction and safety. So I think it's really good that we are bringing awareness to this on this podcast and on our blog.
Absolutely.
So my next question, AOE recently helped with a client safety campaign. I know you were directly involved with this campaign. Can you tell our audience a little bit about it?
Oh, yes. So American Concrete Pumping Association's We Are Safer Together campaign, which AOE helped develop and launch in 2023, is a great example of industry leaders setting the tone for job site safety. The campaign brings heightened awareness of the responsibilities of each trade working with or around a concrete pump under the ASME or ASME B30.27 safety standard for material placement systems. This is important because when everyone knows their roles and responsibilities under the standard, the risk of hazardous situations decreases significantly, which helps ensure everyone returns home safely at the end of the day. As part of us helping them develop the campaign, we created a microsite, wearesafertogether.org, which serves as a one-stop educational resource for anybody working on a concrete pumping site. And the success of the campaign is dependent on the collaboration of many to amplify its message. We put out the press releases, we helped organize the press conferences, but it's all to help everyone in the industry spread this message. And this is why the ACPA invited other industry associations, as well as contractors, to join a coalition of industry partners committed to promoting the safety message. ACPA is asking coalition members to link to wearesafertogether.org from their websites to share key messages on social media and distribute hard hat helmet stickers, equipment decals, and other promotional materials to their employees, their partners, and members or customers. We helped create all these materials, and we're helping to distribute them as well. And so far, several key organizations have joined the coalition, including the American Society of Concrete Contractors, the Concrete Foundations Association, the Tilt Up Concrete Association, and the Concrete Pump Manufacturers Association.
Wow. I mean, that's really great. And for anyone listening today, if you haven't seen the website, I highly suggest you go there, take a look at what Vicki has done, the work, the hard work she's put into it. It's wearesafertogether.org.
Right. Well, it's not just me that put in that work, just so you know. Other AOE team members were involved. Lindsay Shelf was, she's the one who created the website. She did a fabulous job. And of course, we worked very closely with ACPA. It was a team effort.
Gotcha. It's a great website, so I highly recommend our audience checking it out. So in your blog, you mentioned tips for communicating safety messages. Can you tell us what these are?
Yeah, sure. The tips that I included are use multiple communication channels for different people absorb information in different ways. So we recommend using a variety of methods, such as verbal briefings, written documents, visual aids, which can include posters on walls, and digital platforms, social media, websites, etc., to disseminate the information. We also suggested providing real-world examples, case studies, anecdotes, or examples from past projects to help illustrate the importance of safety protocols and the consequences of neglecting them. Hold regularly, or actually, let me backtrack. Regularly update your messaging. So you need to periodically review and update messaging to reflect the latest best practices and regulatory requirements, because they can change.
Yeah, I agree. That's a really big important one, because I think a lot of organizations forget to go back and update their messages. So I think that's a really big one there.
Yeah, we have to remain timely. We have to remain on top of the latest best practices and requirements for sure. We also recommend highlighting benefits and positive outcomes. So when people understand how they benefit from the policy, they are more likely to buy into the safety message. And then we recommend using visual aids to capture attention and convey information quickly. And that includes posters, infographics, videos. Those are all powerful communications tools. And lastly, leveraging resources. Take advantage of the resources provided through OSHA, through associations and national campaigns, including the promotional items and toolbox talk topics and materials that they provide. These are usually free resources.
Oh, okay. I didn't know they had free resources available. That's great.
Mhm.
So how can AOE help an organization or association promote a safety message? I mean, I know we've already discussed what you've done for ACPA, but is there anything else that you can provide our audience with?
Well, through clear, accurate, and timely communication, organizations can help reduce accidents and foster a culture of collaboration and safety. And this is where AOE can help. Our team members have experience in all aspects of business in this industry, ranging from strategic planning to public relations and marketing, which of course includes digital marketing, to code advocacy and adoption, and more. We can help craft and deliver a message that resonates with your audiences, from your employees to your partners to your clients and customers. So I'm going to step you back real quick to the We Are Safer Together campaign that we were talking about. For that campaign, we helped create downloadable flyers that can be looked at electronically, but also download it and print it and passed around to employees to be shared with a partner that you're just starting to work with on a job site, that can be shared with customers so that everyone knows their roles and responsibilities on that project. We can help develop logos and decals and hard hat stickers, all these things that we did for their campaign. There's so much we can do to help. We are well equipped, and we're passionate about helping our clients deliver strong messages.
Okay. No, I appreciate it. So thank you, Vicki, for taking the time to sit down with me and discuss the importance of safety in the industries we serve. For more information on this blog, please visit our website at aoeteam.com. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. We hope this session provides value, and we hope you will join us for our next podcast.